Hello from Taj Mahal Medics. I've got a Toyota Verso here on a 2014 plate. Just replacing the front position lamp. As you can see, that there is working. This one isn't working. It is quite a simple procedure. Basically, this does the daytime running lamp as well as the position lamp as well. So that's the bulb we're replacing. To get to it, it is very simple. So it's just that bulb holder right there. The bulb you need is a 580. You can find the link for it in the description, and also there's a playlist as well for Toyota. Do check that out. Once you get your hand in there, twist it to your left and then pull the holder out. As you can see right there. So that's what we're replacing basically. Now this is a single filament one, so it's not a double, so it's not going to be a 580, it'll be a 582. I'm just going to go and grab a bulb. Basically you fitted the wrong bulb in. It isn't 582, it is a 580 bulb, which I did have one, but that's not working. The filament on the inside is broken as well, so it's a manufacturer defect. So I've ordered some more in. Now just remember, when you fit the bulb in, it is a quite simple procedure. Once you've done it, remember the seal here. So you've got the seal, and then you've replaced the bulb, you slot it through that hole right there, line it up, make sure it lines up. That's it, pushes in, and then twist it to your right. So that's all solid now. So that's what you got to do on this particular model. It is a Toyota Verso on a 2014 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Thank you and goodbye.